Another great tip is just exercising when you want to exercise. And what I mean by that is, a lot of people, they set goals for themselves. For example, New Year's resolutions. And they might say, I'm going to wake up every morning really early and I'm going to go for a run. The problem is, a lot of people that set these kind of goals aren't morning people. So it's very difficult to stick to a goal like that because they're going against their natural instincts or their natural inclinations. If you're a night owl and you like staying up late, perhaps working out in the morning might not be the best thing for you. If you like working out in the afternoon, work out in the afternoon. When you work out at a time when your mood is good and your energy levels are good, chances are you're going to stick with that.